Meaning of congruence. Let us understand the meaning of congruence with the help of an activity. Let us take 2 stamps. Place one stamp over the other. See what happens. One stamp exactly covers the other. It means that both are equal in size and shape. Hence, they are said to be congruent. From this activity, we will come to know the definition of congruent objects, that is, congruent objects are exact copies of each other. For example, 2 blades of the same company, coins of the same denomination, and biscuits of the same packet. The relation of 2 objects being congruent is called congruence. To make the concept of congruence clear, we will perform some more activities. Let us begin with the help of these 2 figures, F1 and F2. Place the figure F1 over F2. Both the figures cover each other completely. It means that the figures are congruent. It can be represented by the following symbol. Now let us perform the next activity. For this, we will consider these 2 pairs of line segments. Try to coincide line segments AB and CD. We observe that both the line segments coincide. Hence, line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD, and the symbol is as shown, that is, its name, with a bar just above it. Or, we can simply write, AB is equal to CD. Now consider the second pair. Repeat the same activity. Here, we observe that line segment BQ and line segment RS do not coincide. Hence, line segment PQ and line segment RS are not congruent to each other. Now let us measure the lengths of line segments AB and CD. We observe that their lengths are equal. Now measure the lengths of PQ and RS. Their lengths are different. From this, we notice that, if 2 line segments have the same length, they are congruent. Also, if 2 line segments are congruent, they have the same length. Now we will study congruence of angles. Look at the 4 angles given here. First, place Q on B, ray QP, along ray BA, and ray QR, along ray BC. Angle PQR matches exactly with angle ABC, that is, angle ABC and angle PQR are congruent. Hence, angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR, or measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle PQR. Now try to superpose angle LMN on angle ABC. Place M on B, and ray ML along ray BA. Does ray MN fall on ray BC? No, it does not, because angle ABC and angle LMN are not equal. So, they are not congruent to each other. Now, try to superpose angle XYZ on angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle XYZ, but ray YX and YZ are longer than ray BA and BC, respectively. We should remember one thing: rays in the figure always indicate direction, and not length. Hence, we find angle ABC is congruent to angle XYZ, so we can say that angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR and angle XYZ. We may write: if two angles have the same measure, then they are said to be congruent. Also, if two angles are congruent, then their measures are said to be the same.